What's up, everybody? Jason, my son Jase here, and today it's a little rainy and cold and windy. We were gonna try to do something cool outside today, but we decided we better stick inside. Today we're gonna be checking out some Hot Wheels. A lot of Hot Wheels. You ready?
Yeah.
Well, let's do it. All right, so we're back inside and we got our Hot Wheels here. We're gonna probably just kind of sort through them and see what we got. You ready for this?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what we got. Look at all these. I'm gonna go through all these bins here and
Yeah.
sort them all out. All right, so here's basically all of our racers. Just our race cars. A bunch of different ones. Now what do we got here, Jace?
All off-road cars.
These are all of our off-road cars?
Yep.
We got, oh, okay, these are our off-road trucks, Jeeps, anything that can go off-road, vans, okay, awesome.
Motorcycles.
Yep, we got some four-wheelers. All right, on to the next.
Yes.
All right, Jace, so what do we got here now?
Old school classics.
These are our old school classic cars.
Yeah.
Wow, look at all those. There's a van, you got all old school 60s cars. 60s one. You got a, yeah, look at those ones.
I got it very early, guys.
All right, so we got our old school classics. You got quite a few of those, don't you? Perfect. Ready for the next?
Yes.
All right, so now what do we got up?
Hot Rod and our Street Racer.
We got our hot rods and our street racers. All right, we are definitely getting the collection going.
Yep, I need a lot more to finish my collection.
Yeah, we got more to come. All right, now we've got, what do we got here?
Trucks.
We've got all of our trucks.
Diesel
We got our
trucks
diesel
and not
trucks.
diesel trucks.
Diesel
Diesel trucks
trucks, Hot
and
Wheels.
trucks. They haul stuff.
Let's see. Now these really aren't Hot Wheels, but they sure do work. And I used to have a couple sets there. They were similar to this when I was a kid, and they work perfectly for hauling your Hot Wheels and stuff. So we're just gonna go ahead and call those Hot Wheel trucks. Is that okay?
Yeah, here's a Hot Wheel truck and there's one.
Now what do we got here, buddy? We got Toy Story. So we
and
so we got our
super villains.
So we got our super villains. All of our super villains.
Bad Superman,
And
bad
we got our,
Batman.
these are our Disneys.
Yeah.
All of our Disney and our Pixar, Toy Story, and then we've got Mario and Luigi, and King Koopa,
And
Princess and Toad,
Bowser.
all those
Bowser.
guys. And we've
And
only
also
got
Bowser, guys.
Bowser, and we've also got
Bowser, it's Bowser or King Koopa.
it's Bowser or King Koopa. Okay, so now that we've got all of these,
Yeah.
we've got a few more kind of obscure, crazy looking ones that we're gonna set out and we'll show you right now. All right, now, so our final cars come down to being these
Weirdo.
weird guys.
The weirdo.
Weirdos. These guys are just kind of like dinosaurs, and we got a weird looking helicopter and even a shopping cart bag. Pretty strange. So I believe this is our entire collection here.
Yeah.
We're probably missing maybe 1 to 5. They're probably in the room somewhere hidden under a bed or in some other toy box, but pretty much this is everything we have got. I think what we'll do is we will probably pick through a few of these,
Yeah.
get a racetrack set up,
Yeah.
and we will race a few of these guys and see who is possibly the fastest.
I think Godzilla is the fastest.
Who?
I think Boat Shaker is the fastest.
Where's Bone Shaker?
The purple guy.
In the back here?
Yeah.
This guy right here?
Yeah.
Well, we will find out. We've got a lot to choose from here, so. All right, so we got all of our cars out here, and I'm gonna have you pick 2 out of this pile. Actually, pick 3 out of the big pile here, and then we're gonna pick one each out of all of here, and then we're gonna race these guys. So which ones are you gonna pick here? Which ones are your favorite?
I like this one.
Which one's that? Let me see. Let me see which one is it. All right, cool. What else? Show
This one's my favorite.
Show me him. Cool. And one more. That guy. All right.
Number 4.
All right, let's go over to our off-road trucks. Which one are you gonna pick here?
The C.
That guy. Which one you got there? All right. All right, so go ahead and let's pick from the old school cars here.
Okay.
Which one do you want to get? That guy?
Yep.
Okay, and what else? All right.
I also
What
like
do you
the
got?
balloons.
Okay, and now we've got, which one you want from here? I'll go ahead and I'll pick them for you since they're so far back here. Which one do you want?
The scooper one.
Which one?
The scooper one.
This one right here.
Yeah.
All right. And now,
Don't take it.
Bone Shaker. This guy right here, right?
No.
No, this guy.
No.
No, this guy.
Yeah.
No, this guy.
No.
This guy?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, now let's go to our street racers. Which one do you want to pick from here? Pick 2 of those.
This one and this one.
All right. What about our trucks? What trucks are we gonna have race?
What? Okay.
Are we gonna do just these little ones, or you want to do the big ones? All right, which ones are you gonna pick? We got a bus, fire truck, 2 fire trucks. Which one? This one?
Yeah. No.
Which one? Which one do
Green
you
one.
want to pick? The green one? Okay. Now, superheroes.
Okay.
Which one of our superheroes do you want to pick? Who was that? Iron Man and Captain America. What about these guys?
I pick Bowser.
Bowser
He's
and
my favorite.
who else? Princess? And we've got Toy Story.
4.
Who's that?
Rex.
Rex and
Boat.
Bo Peep. Did we miss any? I think we've got one more over here.
We got 2 minutes.
What about these guys? These guys, these crazy guys right here.
I'm gonna pick this guy and the piranha guy.
The piranha guy. All right, I think we have. What about our old school guys? We didn't pick any of our old schools, did we?
Yes, we did. See?
Okay, I guess that's it. All right, next up, we're gonna put them on the track.
No, we got Mickey and
We didn't do Mickey?
Simba and Minion.
Okay, let's do. Which one you want to do out of the Mickey, the Disney ones? Mickey and
Chip and Dale.
Chip and Dale. And is that it? So these are all of our racers right here?
Yeah.
All right, so these will be our racers. And we'll see what happens.